Hi, it's me, Angharad from Angharads Life, and I'm so excited to share with you all in this video the amazing package of Tyne Chease that Adam kindly sent to me from Tyne Chease. Thank you so much, Louise, for passing on our details for Adam to send us this incredible selection of Tyne Chease.
Where the wind's blowing and the leaves they turn to gold, like they did with you those summers.
It was absolutely amazing to meet Louise at the Cumbria Vegan Fair. Oh, her mac and cheese.
Oh, and the kebab.
Did on the kebab too. My face enjoyed that.
Oh, absolutely. We really enjoyed that mac and cheese.
It was all incredible. And if you haven't seen the video from when we went to the Cumbria Vegan Fair, we'll link it up there. It was such an amazing time and our first vegan fair too.
It was. I think it was so wonderful for Louise to contact you and ask you about, have we ever tried the Tyne cheese? And we haven't. So Louise then kindly passing on your details to Adam, and Adam very kindly sending us these cheeses to try.
Can't wait, can you, Mum?
Really looking forward to it.
Can't wait to find out what flavours we've got.
Oh.
Ready, Mum?
I am.
Oh.
Nicely wrapped up safely in the box as well, aren't they?
They are. Oh, can't wait, Mum.
I'm looking forward to this.
Ready, Mum?
I am. Ooh, Tyne cheese. Ooh, pickled onion.
Ooh.
And it's lovely to know that the Tyne cheese is all made from
Cashews.
Let's put it there.
That one.
Ooh. This one's called Big Red, and it's got a chilli either side of the words Big Red. Oh, that sounds amazing as well.
It does. I'm sure I'll enjoy that one.
I think so. I think we all will. And this one, garlic.
Really can't wait to try these now, Mum. Can you?
I'm really looking forward to it. Got to decide which one first.
Shall we try them in the order, pull them out?
I think that's a great idea. So it's pickled onion, Big Red, and then garlic.
Definitely. It was such a shame when we were at the Cumbria Vegan Fair, as unfortunately the Tyne cheeses had all sold out by 12 p.m.
That's right. We'd gone inside to visit all the stalls there, hadn't we?
We had.
And then when we went outside, we thought, oh, we'll do the Tyne cheese stall and take everyone along with us. But they were packing away because all their cheeses had gone. It was so popular, wasn't it?
It really, really was. And it's so lovely to know that Tyne cheese has been around from 2014.
It is really lovely to know information like that, isn't it? That was really great to know that.
It is. I feel so lucky that Louise passed on our information for Adam to send us some wonderful cheeses.
Do you want to go and try some of the cheese?
Yes, please, Mum.
Come on then.
Shall we look, Mum?
I think that's a great idea. Oh, it looks amazing.
Should we have a little sneak peek of those too?
I think it's a great idea. Ooh. I look forward to trying them.
Me too. Really can't wait. And the last one.
It's the garlic one, wasn't it? They all look amazing.
Here it is.
I love the wrapping.
That's great. Can't wait to smell it. Oh my gosh. It smells just like opening a jar of pickled onions.
Ooh, I can smell it from here, but wow. It's like it's a piece to try.
Yes, please.
The wrapping's lovely. It's got all kinds of different cheeses over it.
That sounds amazing. Here it is.
I thought you'd like the end piece.
Thank you, Mum.
You're welcome.
It's so soft and so delicious. It's not too strong of a taste of pickled onions, isn't it, Mum?
It's not that strong a taste. You can taste the pickled onion. But it's really lovely. It's quite creamy as well.
Definitely. And it nicely melts in your mouth too.
It does.
It's lovely that the Tyne cheeses are made from cashews.
That's it. And on the back, they have the best before date, which is usually up to a month in the fridge, isn't it?
It is.
Or they could be
frozen for 3 months.
That's it. So that's even better.
But I don't think they'll be frozen in this house.
I was just going to say, do you think we should freeze one?
No thanks.
I don't think we need to because we've got enough time to use them up over the next couple of weeks, haven't we?
We definitely have. And it's lovely that the packaging that the cheese comes in is compostable. And then these little boxes are made from wood.
That's it. I think it's amazing.
It's brilliant. And the cheese is really delicious. Really can't wait to try the big bread today, can you, Mum?
I'm really looking forward to it.
Oh, that smells amazing, doesn't it, Mum?
It really does.
Can't wait to try it, can you?
I'm really looking forward to trying this one as well.
Here is the big red.
It smells so good.
It really does. I think Sarah likes the smell.
I think she's enjoying the smell. Wow.
You get the heat straight away, don't you, Mum?
You really do. This is amazing.
It really is.
You still get that lovely chilli heat in your mouth.
You do.
That's amazing.
It is, and it's so lovely how it melts in your mouth as well.
It is. Ooh.
And I really can't wait to try the garlic one next too.
Should we go and enjoy this cheese now?
Yes, please. Here is the garlic cheese. Oh my gosh, it smells incredible. And the wonderful smaller garlic while you're cutting it too, Mum. It's incredible, isn't it?
It really was.
Wow, I love the garlic taste so much. It stays through the whole bite. It's such an incredible cheese. We've loved them all with all of their wonderful flavours, haven't we, Mum?
All the flavours have been absolutely lovely. This is such a wonderful garlic flavour. I've enjoyed trying them all.
Definitely. I love how smooth they are and how they melt in your mouth too. It really was so lovely to try the 3 different Tyne cheeses. Thank you so much to Louise for passing on our details to Adam. And thank you so much to Adam for sending us the amazing cheeses. They've all been so incredible, and the flavours have been wonderful too. I never knew you could get pickled onion cheese, did you, Mum?
I didn't. All of the flavours are amazing, and we really feel so lucky to have been sent the cheeses. Thank you so much.
It really means a lot. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. Time in the comments. We'd love so much to know if you've tried any of the Tyne cheeses. If you have, which ones have you tried? If you haven't, what are your favourite vegan cheeses? Or what Tyne cheeses would you like to try? We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye. Take care. And bye from Sarah too.